Did you know that most audit failures happen because red flags were ignored? In this video, I'll share the top warning signs you must watch for in internal audit, and how to act before small issues turn into major risks. Missing or incomplete documents are the first danger sign. Example: vendor invoices without purchase orders. Action: always perform document matching. Three-way match: PO, invoice, GRN. Transactions outside normal patterns. Large payments just before period end. Unapproved manual journal entries. Action: use data analytics and trend analysis in Excel, filters, pivot tables. Red flag: no segregation of duties, one person handles everything. PO, payment reconciliation. Action: test control effectiveness. Check if approvals are properly documented. If the same issue appears in every audit cycle, it's not just a weakness, it's a serious risk. Action: highlight it in your audit report executive summary and escalate to management. Pushback, delays, or hiding data is a human red flag. Action: document resistance, report it, and cross-check data with external sources if possible. Internal audit is not just about checking numbers. It's about detecting risks early. By watching for these 5 red flags, you'll protect your organization before small problems turn into disasters. Don't forget to comment your most common red flag experience. Subscribe for more simplified audit tips every week.